Hey guys, today I'm gonna see if I can solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube while hanging upside down. Alright, so let's find out. What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be solving this while hanging upside down over there. So I'm gonna hand you off to my cameraman and we'll get started. Because I feel like if I don't explain this, I'll get weird questions. I have a pocket here, and that's where the Rubik's Cube's going. So when I flip upside down, it doesn't fall out of my pocket. Okay, so there isn't any particular time goal. I just want it solved, and I don't want to die. I don't feel like falling would be a good idea. Alright, so let's get started. Here we go. You guys see the Rubik's Cube all right? And for those of you who are wondering, I am kind of mixing the beginner's method with CFOP because I just can't get F to well down, but everything else I got pretty well. And I got it. Oh great. Okay, so overall experience rating, I'm dizzy. Not really sure if that's a rating, but that's what you're gonna get. Not sure why I put it back in there. So I got it solved in what felt like a decent time, so let's get back inside and recap. Okay, so I feel like I did pretty well. Let's see if we can position the camera. I solved it pretty quickly. There's not much else to say other than the fact that I was upside down. If you have any other silly ideas for solving a Rubik's Cube, let me know. So far, I've done it upside down and while looking in a mirror. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and see you next week.